will be showing you how to put batteries in your multimeter. So you want to check and see where your negative is. Here's your positive and your negative. So you want to put it right there. Now each multimeter is different, so you gotta watch that, because each multimeters run on batteries and fuses. Your fuses protect your multimeter, so if one load blows, your multimeter is good. But if your multimeter blows, your multimeter is trashed. So really gotta watch that when you're testing stuff. So next thing you want to do is add your cover back, nice and smooth. Make sure it lines up perfect. After this, righty tighty. That's all you gotta do with multimeters. Now, each multimeter is different. I'm not gonna like use it right now, but you can get the gist of multimeters. So yeah, as soon as I put the batteries in, it should work. It should work. So let's see here. You got your milliamps, your amps, you got your degrees, hertz, ohms, and your voltage. Yep, it works. it works. So it's good. True RMS. Each one's different. Each multimeter is different. This I got an ideal. And I also got a Klein over here. And I got Klein right here. Each multimeter, I got this one because it's a little bit better. I don't know, it's, you know. Only matters what kind of multimeter you have. But each one, you do the same thing. You need so use your leads. Haven't figured out what that is yet. If anybody knows, let me know. So yeah, that's about it for how to put batteries in a multimeter. So I can link everything in the description if you want me to. Just let me know. Everything I used, let me know. Because I put this at Lowe's. Yeah. Yeah. Each multimeter is different. Doesn't mean it's not good. It's no good. Now for this one, I'm gonna put this multimeter in here. Oh yeah, got me some whole saws. Yeah, I don't have room for that yet. Let's stick over here for now. No, I'm not. Okay, looks like I'm gonna do some cleaning up. Might do another review, but organizing. Because I need to tighten some stuff up, move some stuff around. That's good. That's good. Got Tesla in there. Ooh. Some stuff around. So yeah, that's about it for this. For how to put battery in a multimeter. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.